How to add a welcome bot to your Discord server. So first you want to open up Discord, and then you want to go to the Discover button right here, click on it, and then click on Apps and search for Dino like this. Now click on the first result and then click on Add App, click on Visit Site. It should open up this link right here, which will basically ask you to authorize or log in with your Discord account. Then after logging in, you should select your server or your Discord server from here, and then basically click continue and click on authorize to add the bot to your Discord server. Now once you go back to your Discord server, you should find Dino in your Discord like this. Now after adding the bot, you should open up your browser again and then head to dino.gg, and you'll need to log in with your Discord account and then basically select your Discord server. So in this case, I'm going to select this server right here, which is this one, click on it. Then from here, you want to go to the modules page, and then you want to search for welcome and make sure it's enabled like this. Click on settings. Now click on message if you want to send a welcome message basically. And then you want to select the channel where it will send the message. So it's basically welcome channel. And then check the box under send welcome messages in DM if you want to send private messages to the users joining your server. Otherwise, you can leave it for the channel. And then here you can customize the message to send. So for example, welcome. And then if you want to write the user name or the name of the user that joined your server, you can basically type this right here, copy it from these variables, depending on which thing you're trying to write here, whether it's the user or the username. You can also include the avatar option to display their avatar, as well as roles and stuff like that. So I'm going to try user and username for now, and then click on update. Now this should be in effect, and if somebody joins the server, the bot should send a message to this channel. So I'm going to try to join the server from my second account. And as you can see right here, it sent a message in the welcome channel, and it says welcome and add the user. It mentions the user and writes the username exactly just like the message we specified right here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.